people if you know Admiral Bailey, then to pay me $75,000. Stop hide, stop spin, man.
Nitty Kutchie, a veteran in the dancehall scene known for his work with Bounty Killer and other Seaview artists, is calling out another big name, Admiral Bailey, the man behind the famous track Punani. So what's the deal? Nitty Kutchie claims that Bailey owes him thousands of dollars and has been dodging him for quite some time. In a video shared on Instagram, Kutchie didn't hold back. He blasted Bailey, saying, "Life is crazy. You try to make things work with people, treat them like family, and they just keep stressing you out. Bailey, pay me my money, dog." Ouch. Kutchie even compared himself to Usain Bolt, saying he feels like he has to chase Bailey down like the sprinting legend just to get his money. Usain would never run down a man for money, he joked, but his frustration was clear. He then called on everyone who knows Bailey to tell him to pay up the $75,000 he owes. "Stop hiding, stop spinning me, be a stress-free man," Kutchie demanded, throwing some shade at Bailey's weekly event called Stress-Free Sundays.
Today we're live on
Kutchie
the
also claims
of established musician Andrew Reid, more popularly known as Nitty Kutchie, where he'll be informing us on his newfound love as a fitness guru and his music career. Before we get into your fitness regime, Nitty, one of your most recent performances was at the crowning of the reggae singer Nadine Sutherland as the Princess of Reggae and Dancehall. How was that for you, and what are your thoughts on her being crowned as such?
Yeah, man, a good vibe because from my ears, I listen to Nadine Sutherland, you know what I mean? And she's a very good singer, you know what I mean? And she's humble to it, you know what I mean? So I don't know, and then you see her perform a Buju show in New York, and that was good. You know what I mean? So crown somebody like she is nice, you know what I mean? That people feel important, you know what I mean? Because she is, you know what I mean? So I love that, you know what I mean? So that was a good vibe for me. And I, you know what I mean? So I don't know.
Yeah. But prior to that performance, have you been performing locally?
Not like how I wanted and not like how I used to, but you know what I mean? It we know we're mostly performing in the country. Yeah. Because it seems like the country people don't love more than town people.
True.
You know what I mean? They don't know because they don't know, so it kind of, it's a change.
Yeah,
it's a change for the younger you then, so you can't fight them because you was once young. You know what I mean? And you was once doing what they were doing. You know what I mean? No, you know what I mean? So all of them have to do is take them time and transform and chant on the music better and more informative, yeah. To give you them more information, and that's how that know what the youth are wanting, because you can't fight them, you know what I mean? So because once youth, so you criticize what you once was, you know what I mean? And the youth don't know can't criticize the older artists them, because as long as them young, them will get old one day soon. You know what I mean? So life have to be how to play games, but you say you have to just be smart with it, you know what I mean?
We realize that you and your colleagues have been taking over social media with your new fitness routine.
The help of the people like you and
people,
you know what I mean? The people that Jamaica over the world. Give thanks to that.
Lovely. But was this always a passion to get into fitness, and if so, what inspired this move?
It's like I always love exercise from morning, but now it's like I love it more when you see more people are sick and run into the wall and you see all of people have money. I realize that the money can't help them. So I realize that this is the real doctor. You know what I mean? And them now, what really get me really serious is like they love exercise. What get me serious is like I keep Red Bull a man in time and all of these things until this happened to me. See, this happened to me. Just a pimple just come up on my foot one morning and just burst. And from that burst, it's like, it can't get better. I say, I want to me. And I got to find doctor. And it's a spend money, son, it can't get better. Until I'm there, man named Glenn Riggs. You know what I mean? Came around and doctor over Portmore. And the doctor man said, wait, I start telling him something, eat rice, eat bread, eat biscuit, eat this, eat that, and I start then you stop eating word, man. Stop drinking soda, stop drinking Red Bull, stop drinking all of these energy drinks, you know, good.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And they start drink water. Water the best thing. Because all these energy drink and all of these drink and Hennessy are 2 pounds of sugar make a back like Hennessy. See? So when you drink all 2 back like Hennessy at night time, come like you kill yourself. You don't come like you kill yourself. So when we check the whole website, you know what I'm saying? Who create Hennessy? Who create beer? Who create Heineken? Who create red wine? Who create all of these things? Who create them? Men, right? Men and people. Who create water? No? Who create water? So you better me drink water. Everything God create. So now I start drink water, it's better for me. And I start in a sort of foot better, you know, foot better. Just simple salt water. The man has to put the foot in a salt water every morning, every night. Warm salt water. And that took out everything. And I stand, that take out everything out of my foot, princess. And I see my foot start better. I'm not perfect, sometimes you will cheat now and then. Be real and be truthful. Sometimes we cheat, but you know good, but you know what I mean, but stay upon course. And man, stay your course. Eat green when you get up in that age.
Yeah.
You understand?
Especially when
yeah, eat green. Drink cold of water. Just like with the songwriter says, drink water and mind your business. Simple. At 20 years, what they say, 20 to 19 years, what they say. But you just start with social media because a person like CP income and someone now start advise me and say, why not the social media? Why not on TikTok or and I said, I don't love them to me, you know. I fancy it because I don't do it for really people. I do it for myself and then I say, no, that's selfish. You know what I mean? No, we do it for everybody. I don't that with the mission of the you know what I mean? And I hope it's better so we get help from scatter them and one of the people that we have to be behind with. And then some are police, some are firemen, some are doctor, we have a lawyer, we have everybody come up here, come exercise with you and all that vibe, you know what I mean? Every single body, from the lawyer to the doctor to the nurse to the police to the teacher to the whoever you can think about, them come exercise with us. You know what I mean? Because it's for free.
Oh, you don't charge?
No, we're not charged. You just if you want to do something, you do something. It's up to you.
But it's not like you put it out
no,
to say.
Yeah, I mean, I put it out to me and say, yo, give me $7,000 every week. And then upon that, it's up to you. So we want to build up, so we want to clear, so we want to cut, so we want to get some tire, we want to do this. You just want to say, yo, you help me out, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We don't want to beg you nothing.
So you're planning to expand on it?
Yeah, because the lady over there, so she just done and just want to talk to her. And I understand, and then do the okay for use the land and thing, you know what I mean?
That's nice.
So from a long time, we don't know how we'll vibe with them, you know? It's a good vibe, you know?
I love it. And the expansion would be more like
yeah, might
putting
look
more
nice and
equipment.
just put some marl or some gravel and make everything look good and thing.
Oh.
You know what I mean? It all look nice and I done it, man. I just, you know what I mean? It's a growing moment, you know?
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
So how do you feel personally about making that change? How would you feel?
Yeah, man, it made me feel stronger, it made me feel good, it made me feel everything that's right because a man's supposed to be right. A man's supposed to do right. A man's supposed to not feel right, act right. You're supposed to do right. You understand? People actions speak louder than words, but you're supposed to just do right. Be right. You understand? So by doing this now, it made me feel good by people interact with me and watch a live a man time and tell me say, yo, them feel good and me make people can feel that way. Yeah. Yo, that's something like that's something that blow me up, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like balloon, maybe that's why I can't lose weight like with myself. Yo, you can't lose belly. You say, I think I feel good. My belly full to the people that watch it. You know what I mean? So no overwhelm, you know?
Mm-hmm. But you just spoke about some of the persons who are normally here doing the training and so forth, and I realize that most of them are artists or selectors and persons that are in the music business.
Yeah.
How important or how beneficial is it for an artist, especially, you know, with the vocals and all of that they have to contend with every day? How important is it for them to exercise?
Yes, it's important, you know what I mean? Because, just check it. Exercise is the best thing there is a doctor. You know what I mean? So if it's a doctor for your body, that means it's a doctor for your vocals. The vocal come from out of your body. You know what I mean? So if you can run one place or run the hip and sing from one key, one level, you sing a song same way. See, it's the same way like when I go on stage, just like when I watch a bunch of exercise a morning time. And then when I watch him rehearse, and I start jump and I start jump and I call him a jump, and go on one place with them voice. and I'm vocal the one piece. So that means exercise is important for your performance, for your active, for everything. So exercise is one of the key factors about life right now. That health are well. You know what I mean? Health are really well. So I really that's the whole factor about life right now. So I'm gonna advise everybody to put a little 15 minutes in a morning time, guys, it's important.
That's
you know
true.
What I mean?
That's true.
It's
Thanks for
important
that.
for everything. Make you sleep better, make you have sex better, make you do everything better. Yeah, it make you do everything better, make you think better.
Yeah.
You understand?
Clear your mind.
Make you think right. It transform your mind in a better place. And we can't leave God now at all. Because if I never got it now, man, the person will wake up, I feel just love it.
Good morning, everybody. You know, I'm Scatter Borrell. And I must tell you, I've been at this for 4 or 5 months now, and it is the best time of my life. You know, you spend all your life getting up to work and be a contribution to people's business and put food on your table, and you never know, so the best thing you can do for yourself is get up early morning and do something for yourself. And from me I do this, it makes me excel in everything else with these wonderful people. I've been watching them on the internet for a while and I finally brave up and come up here. So from the start, I'm not stop. So big up the Hilltop family and my next family. You understand me? So it's a pleasure. And we invite everybody for roll out and come join us.
And I like to force nobody to come. So if them never love it, seeing, if them never give thanks. Seeing, and this I'm a bridging this time St. Mary. I'm there with their now left foot. And I stand to see pattern.
Yeah.
So you see, if them never, we not force nobody to come up here, I want to beg nobody to stay. So if they never feel good to them and if they never right, they won't stay. So it's like a family now. We create a family. You understand? It's like a band. So it's like if we see one other morning time, like when you see cigar for all a week and cigar just come. See him? And he used to run on the hill down the sun. We tell him to stop parking bike down the sun, come park with us, and then he end up joining the family. And, you know what I mean? I'm going to see him for a week and we start curry and stuff. We see the cigar there and we find him. You understand? I find out what happened to him. You understand? So it's like a band. We create a band. It's like a family.
Yeah.
If we quarrel today, but we fix it back tomorrow.
We have a terrible lifestyle in the music industry when we eat, drink and smoke the things that are not good for us. You understand me? So when you do this, you push back against the elements that goes against the natural abilities. So I encourage all artists, producers, we sit down at the studio 24/7, you know, the smoke.
Get out of here.
Get out and push back against these elements that's deteriorating our body.
Yeah.
But have to outlive the fans them.
This one here,
Yeah. And the artists themselves as
The
well.
artist
and
mentally,
stage, yeah.
just like how you work on your vocals, you have to have the strength and the mind and the body to go with it, you know. So what I encourage you to do, come in and soak up the sun, the vitamin D, and you don't get a cold or a flu from the start workout.
Yeah.
And be sicky bad.
Bad.
Yes.
Me, you say you stop take pressure pill and them something.
No, I'm sure the pill them.
Long
A long time
time.
my doctor not see me because I check my pressure every day and it go down. I'm steady at 208 pounds now. I was at 229.
Yes, good test.
Yes. It's a great feeling.
I appreciate love everything we are going right now with the people that are over the world from Africa, Canada, because people call from Canada, from Africa. We have some people come from Africa, come exercise with the other day. Yeah, you know what I mean? And them love it, them love the outside exercise and things.
Yeah.
And things, seeing even popcorn come up here more time, T-bone, all are you them come up here, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And things just come show them face and look what I go on and things because it's enticing. You know what I mean? It come like a raw vegetable. You know what I mean? So that's that. And this is our Hennessy and this is our white wine and we have them here for white wine.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because less sugar.
Yeah, I was told earlier that you specifically focus on strength exercise. That's your area. Why that area? Why choose that area?
Because man is strong.
Yeah.
Man can't lift up them woman if them sick. But if you have a woman you can't lift up. You can't even lift up yourself.
Yeah.
So that's stupid. You know what I mean? Any man can't lift up them weight. You can't say, you're stupid, but if you try, start lift up your weight.
Yeah.
Lift up your own weight. So you have your woman, you can't lift up your woman just in case something happens. You know what I mean? Just in case something happens. You know what I mean? If you can't just, you know, the man is strong, man. Man is strong. You know what I mean? Solomon did strong. Samson did strong. King David did strong. Understand? So if you love the Almighty God, stay strong. So me love the Almighty God, so me I stay strong. We do everything still now. We do leg man and we do chest man. We do, you know what I mean? It's not like we are professional, but we try our best to be the best. You know what I mean? So I just that we head for, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We teach each other every day and we learn along the way.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So that's that we're on right now.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you to talk about professional if you're planning to, get certified in this area professionally.
Well, let's see what tomorrow brings, you know.
Yeah.
Let's see what tomorrow brings. You never know.
And at what age are you doing all of this now?
Me, I'm 5'4". 12th of February 1970.
That's true. Okay, that's great. That's great. And it doesn't feel like you're that age. No, that's all right.
Bringing them when I'm 19-year-old and you can come around, you know. At times, 200 or 300 push-up already for you.
Anytime.
Yeah, we'll line up a competition too.
Oh.
We run money. All you we make it like how we are starting now.
Yeah.
Now we are starting now. So it's like, so that like one Sunday, evening or morning, we go early on this door. And before the sun come out that hot, and we have one competition where 100 grand or 50 grand for them are liquor, we must say liquor like juice or, you know what I mean, with them like, I'll compete for it, friendly competition. You know what I mean, I'm on the 100 dips or 200 dips, who square off, I'm on the 200 push-up or 300 push-up, I'm on the 100 squat or 200 squat, and who can come through with it, you know what I mean, win the prize or so. You know what I mean, something like
Keep
that.
them
so,
engaged and
yeah,
keep
so
it
and
fun.
then we are trying to line up to start going to communities too.
Okay.
You know what I mean? If we go in a community and do them things here, so we are trying enough things for elevate and uplift communities and Jamaica. For make Jamaica here. If one man can do it, and 2 man can do it, 3 man can do it. If we can make one place be a better place, we can make the next place be a better place, the next place be a better place. So you understand? So something like that we are doing. So then we can make Jamaica be a better place. You know what I mean?
So as it relates to you musically now, what are your plans on that? Future events?
You have a new song with Buju. A new song with Buju Bantan right now. I have a whole new song where people are here.
What's the name of the Buju one?
Yeah, Lord, I thank you.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Yeah, so I have the one with Buju where who not hear it first start listen more keenly now because I give thanks to the Almighty God at all times. You know what I mean? So, and Almighty God won't do it to me.
Yeah.
They must see. You know what I mean? Sometimes you might not have a hit song, but when you have a hit God, you know say, yo, and from you wake up, everything good. So just give praise to you and run it with water, by water park. UCR. You know what I mean? Give praises. Because God is good to you. Food up on your table, you have a roof over your head. You like bill pay, you like bill pay. You're still great. Give praises to the Almighty God, you know?
That's true. So you're still balancing both. It's just that music to a lesser extent now, okay? Just mainly
no,
focusing.
man, I left music, man. Music I'm a done, man. Because I'm a general, but music I'm a done. Exercise, I make it work. Understand? Because I work out. Understand? So I exercise, make the thing work. I exercise at the doctor, you have to come at the doctor at all times. Never leave the doctor. Understand?
So is there any upcoming shows or events that you have, whether locally or internationally?
No. So my travel documents kind of work out took so I try to line it back and I'll get some work out.
Okay, I start that out first.
You know what I mean? So I start out something, but run Jamaica Island and we can circle and do some one show now and then and sing for my friends and some promoters and things. See, now and then we go to Canada, go and we'll have vibe and things and come back.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Make it work.
Yeah.
See?
Alright, that's great. So as it relates to the younger artists now and even the older ones, what would be your word of advice to them before we close in terms of
advice to the younger artists?
Yeah, man, in terms of exercise and overall.
On yourself. Seeing me like me love the eye them seeing. Just like how yesterday me and Buju talk and them saying no, I'm a bad vibe with them neither. Them just want guidance and just must say everything right. Just move right. Seeing? Start try change people aspect about the item, you know what I mean? And we can't fight against them. Can't fight against the young youth. I have to love them from the popcorn to the Pablo YG to the disc to the TV one to the whoever it is, you know what I mean? Amani, you know what I mean? I have to love them and just cheer for them and make sure them stand the right, you know what I mean? Nas, you know, DJ Nas and, you know, Bill Gates and the thing, you know what I mean? I will build up the whole of them and straight them out and just say, yo, I'm just riding the wave.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So that's that.